Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. I'm at job site address 640 Goerig Street in Woodland, Washington. This is a video inspection to check the accessibility, serviceability of the sewer lateral. Kind of a weird inspection. We started by videoing the main line of the 640, and because of the amount of turns and fittings, there was a lot of friction loss. So we actually started by videoing the building next door to the north. We pushed all the way out to the city main at approximately 70 feet. So these two buildings share a lateral, so this is the party line. So we'll pull backwards, and we'll note where the tie-in for 640 ties in, and then we will pause the video and video 640 to that tie-in. So this is a backwards inspection. So currently we are in what appears to be 6-inch 30-30. So I'm not sure what that 30-34, that white tie-in, what ties in there. We haven't seen any water come out of that or not. And then at the 12 o'clock position, this is the tie-in for the 640 connection, and so the 640 drops into the top. And this is all the other buildings, sewer lateral, so this doesn't really apply, but we'll continue the video as we pull that. Alright, we're going to pause the video now and then go to 640's cleanup. Okay, we've gained access to a 4-inch ABS cleanout. It's located at the northwest corner of the building. We've pushed down into the sewer lateral on the horizontal, so we're going to zero out the counter to start our inspection. Here we are at that vertical connection to the property to the north. So the line is clear and looks good. There's just, you can see how many bends are in this lateral between here and there, and it just pinches on our camera. But the line looks good and it's complete.